What is Prettier?
The Prettier is a popular tool that automatically formats your code. It works with many programming languages, including JavaScript, TypeScript, HTML, and CSS. By analyzing your code and applying a consistent style, Prettier helps your code look clean and professional. This means you spend less time worrying about formatting and more time focused on building your project.
Why code formatting matters.
A consistent code style is essential for teamwork and code quality. Readable code is easier to debug, maintain, and share. Manual formatting can be tedious and leads to mistakes. Prettier removes the burden of matching indentation, spacing, and line breaks by automatically standardizing your code, so everyone on your team follows the same style.
How Prettier works.
Prettier reads your code, then rewrites it according to agreed style rules. Once installed, you can run Prettier from your command line or inside code editors. It instantly fixes formatting issues based on its settings. You can even configure certain preferences. But Prettier sticks to strong defaults that promote readability and consistency.
Integrating Prettier into your workflow.
Prettier fits smoothly into most development workflows. You can enable Prettier to format code each time you save a file, or run it as part of your build process. Many popular editors like Visual Studio Code and Atom have plugins or built-in support for Prettier, making it easy to set up and use every day.
The benefits of using Prettier.
Using Prettier saves you time, reduces code review feedback, and improves your code base. Instead of correcting style issues by hand, Prettier lets you focus on what really matters: building great features. Whether you work alone or on a team, automatic formatting leads to cleaner, more reliable code.